Good morning, everyone. It's New Year's Eve. And Michael's here today giving my Christmas present.
Yeah.
Wrapping my bonnet on my car. Alright, so this is what the car looks like so far. You can see it's just not perfectly blue. There's a few little odd patches there as well.
A bit modelly in the sun.
Yeah. I mean, you can compare it to, like, I don't know, there's other
even
part
the
of the
side.
Yeah. Just inside you can see the reflection there, but there's like zero reflection there.
It's a bit short though.
Yeah. So, and then we're going to go with the matte black, which is the same as the roof.
Now we've given it a really decent clean with some surface cleaner, which is also an adhesion promoter. So it'll give us the best lifespan, because sometimes vinyl doesn't love sticking to a bit of an aged surface like this. So you definitely got to make sure you give it a good clean, as well as the underside of all the lips, because that's where the edge vinyl is going to stick to. So to get a nice long lifespan, that's the way to go.
Cool.
Alright,
let's roll. Typical when you start talking, the memory runs out.
yeah.
Michael's cut the first bit, which we just missed. Veronica's hanging out with Christina at Tata today, this morning, whilst we do this. In you go. Alright. So as you can see, early this year. Was it early this year?
I think so.
Yeah. Michael did my roof. A lot of it's just because of just a bit of sun damage to the paint.
Bit of paint fading.
And it's an old enough car not to really care about the paint that much. And plus I like the look of the black. So we're going from the blue, which is a really cool blue. Everyone that has the
It is a cool blue.
sees this this Ute and has a newer model where they stuffed up the blue. It's not as good.
No, it isn't. It's a bit darker, isn't it? The new
Yeah,
one?
or there's a lighter one as well, but it's just a perfect kind of blue. I'll show you a side view. It's a bit dirty, but it's a really good blue. But now I'm covering it all up.
I love it so much that we're covering it up.
Yeah, you got to keep the good bits, which is the rest of the car, or majority of the car. But the bonnet and the roof see a lot of the sun the most, so we're going to just cover it up. I'm going to set the camera up somewhere, don't know where, just so we can get a bird's eye view of it.
Yeah.
I could get the other tripod and wrap it around the one the Gorilla Grip one, whatever you call it. It's got like bendy legs.
Okay.
I could stick it up there.
Yeah. I mean, I guess we'll be working from like this side and then the other side. So
I reckon like there we could.
yeah, then at least we won't have our back to it.
Yeah. All right, I'll put it up there.
All right.
Do that.
Next level. Next level.
We only want to do this little part for now, because that bit there is that other curve that I was talking about.
Yeah.
So you just get a nice base section down. You gotta hold the squeegee at it's air release vinyl, so that definitely helps. But if you hold the squeegee at a bit of an angle, it helps the any air that's underneath it just come out nice and easily.
Next level, 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 level,
Michael's done all the cuts around the edge. He's done all the work. I've just really sat here and just supervised. Yeah. So now what we're going to do is just, you can see the edges.
Yeah, don't look too closely at those cuts because they're just rough for now.
They're very rough. So like that all gets wrapped under.
Yeah, that's right. That's why we had to clean the inside. So that bit there just is what holds it underneath and we'll give it the extra longevity that we were talking about before.
Yeah. It's looking good though.
It's coming up well. So you can see a few smears on there because we had to use wet squeegees just to make sure we didn't scratch the material. But they'll get a nice clean off when it's finished and it'll all be schmick.
Yeah. Looks better than it did before, that's for sure. Right, out in the sun. I gave it a little bit of a clean as well because it was a bit dirty before. Yeah, looking nice. Black bonnet. Next is the wheels, so I'm going to paint them. That'll be my project to do in a week or so. Well, yeah, it's looking pretty good. Pretty happy with that.